If I was to summarize who we are as Tokamak Energy, we're a company born from a fusion mission that has developed a full stack offering of high temperature superconducting technologies, and those technologies are set to disrupt an ever-growing number of markets, and that becomes the future of our business. I'm here in the control room of our ST40 fusion R&D device at our headquarters in Oxfordshire. ST40 has been a remarkable machine for us, and it has an important future mission where we're partnering with both the UK and US governments. But we've always known that we need another technology for future fusion machines, a very important magnet technology utilizing what we know as high temperature superconductors. This material is extraordinary in its own right. It can generate incredibly strong magnetic fields. You need that for fusion, you need that for other applications in other industries. But in its purest form, you can just move energy in a really efficient way. We are, of course, a provider to fusion. We're really proud of securing the contract to be the magnet system partner for the UK's flagship program, STEP. And recently as well, we announced a private partnership that's with Tokamak Energy and AECOM in the UK's Infinity Fusion Consortium. But we've been pioneering this important technology outside of fusion as well. We're unlocking high field magnet applications in science, medical, transportation and defence. And lastly, power distribution is going to become such an important market for the world and for this company. We can transfer huge amounts of energy using superconductors, and the market that needs that right now is Gen AI data centers, generating a huge amount of excitement around the potential for this. And last year we added a really important company to our mix. We acquired Ridgeway Machines, also based in the UK, and Ridgeway make the best machines in the world to manufacture these products. They're now part of our group, and they're the key to enabling our future scale-up. So why is all of this important? In the pursuit of fusion, we have unlocked a technology that others had tried and failed with. We've mastered all aspects from design through to manufacturing, and we're now set to take that into a range of new industries. That will unlock new applications, new levels of efficiency in moving energy around the world, and for us it creates an extremely exciting business, and just see how we develop over the next few years at Tokamak Energy.